Hello guys, let's look at the next problem. So here we are given that ABCD is a square picture frame, as we can see. Okay, EFGH is a square inscribed within ABCD as a space for a picture. Means this is a space for picture, and the area of EFGH is equal to the area of the picture frame. Picture frame is basically, if I take a different color, then this is here the picture frame is. This all shaded portion is the picture frame. They have given that the area of EFGH is equal to the area of the picture frame. So, and we are given if AB is equal to 6. Okay, this length is given to be 6. What is the length of EF? We have to find this length EF. Interesting problem. So as it is a square, so this will also be 6, and the shaded portion plus the area of EFGH will be equal to the total area of the square. So basically we can write that area of EFGH plus area of shaded portion, the one shaded in orange, is equal to the area of the square. So which is 36. 6 into 6, 36. And this area is basically equal to this area as it is given. So we can replace the shaded orange area by area of EFGH. So basically 2 times area of EFGH becomes equal to 36. If we take this 2 to the other side, it will become 18. So area of EFGH is 18. So also it's given that EFGH is a square. So let's say the length of EF is EF. So the area of EFGH will be EF multiplied by EF, which is equal to 18. So EF square is 18 and EF will become under root 18. So simple. That's it. We are done. So how can we simplify it further? Root 18. Root 18 is basically 2 into 9, and the square root of 9 we know is 3, and 3 root 2. The more simplified answer. Thank you. Let's move on to the next problem.